Hello, let's learn about migrating animals. These animals that we are going to see and read about are animals that migrate on land, migrate in the air, and migrate in the sea. Each year across the globe, animals move. They make their journey by land, air, and water. The longest elephant migration on Earth takes place on the fringe of Africa's Sahara, where these rare desert elephants make a 300-mile loop. The matriarchs use their decades of knowledge to lead their herd to food and water. Matriarchs are members of a group that are older and that have been around longer. So they teach the little ones how to search for food and search for water. Along the way, they may face sandstorms and growing human settlements that narrow their passage. A long time ago, this used to all just be desert and dirt, and the elephants didn't have to worry about moving through people's homes or towns. And now they have to find a way around it. Oh, let's move to the air. The black-browed albatross soars for 7 months above southern oceans before returning to the same nest and the same mate year after year. Can you imagine flying for 7 months? Oh, those birds must be tired. And then while one bird watches the nest, the other one may travel thousands of miles more to find food for their young. These fledglings will begin their own journey. Ooh, I bet that means baby birds. These baby birds will begin their own journey, returning to shore in a decade to breed. So they're going to fly and find their own journey, and then they're going to come back home to make their own family. Oh, let's move to the ocean. One of the world's greatest migrants. Ooh, migrants must mean people that, or things that migrate. The great white shark covers 3,000 miles of ocean every year. It's hard to imagine that there's even 3,000 miles of water, but these sharks travel 3,000 miles a year. Traveling alone from Hawaii to Guadalupe Island off the coast of Mexico, dozens of sharks converge on a feast of marine life. Converge means to come together. They all come together for a big feast of fish and other marine life. Once there, they will prey on the northern elephant seals that have made their own long journey.